Point Nemo is literally the spot in the ocean farthest from any land on Earth. You're closer to astronauts in space than to another human being. That's insane. After weeks of planning, I mapped the ultimate route. Fly to Ushuaia, the southernmost city on Earth. Then take a ship across the Drake Passage to reach Antarctica. After that, Svalbard, and finally Point Nemo. 4 locations, 1 mission. Let's go. Before I could even think about stepping on Antarctica, I had to survive the prep. We're talking thermal layers that cost $800, survival training where they literally throw you in freezing water, and permits that took 3 months to get approved. You can't just show up to Antarctica like it's Disneyland. It's a protected continent. We worked with scientists and followed every single rule. Then came the Drake Passage. This 600-mile stretch of ocean has waves as tall as a 3-story building. Our ship got tossed around like a toy for 2 straight days. Half the people on board were throwing up. But then, on day 3, I saw it. A wall of white ice stretching as far as I could see. We landed on the Antarctic Peninsula, and I stepped onto the continent. Penguins everywhere. Total silence, except for ice cracking. Scientists told me the ice I was standing on holds climate records going back 800,000 years. This place isn't just remote, it's a time machine. Antarctica was unreal, but I wasn't done. I flew north to Svalbard, Norway, which sits just 800 miles from the North Pole. This place has rules you won't believe. You legally have to carry a rifle outside town because of polar bears, and for 2 months a year, the sun never rises. I met people who live here year-round, and they explained how humans adapt to extremes. Longyear Bayan feels like a science fiction movie. It's the edge of civilization, and everyone there knows it. But the truest end of Earth? Point Nemo. I couldn't physically go there because it's in the middle of the South Pacific, 1,670 miles from the nearest land in any direction. 48 to 52.6, 123 to 123.6 W. Space stations literally dump their trash there because it's so isolated. When astronauts pass overhead, they're closer to Point Nemo than any human on Earth. That's the definition of the end of the world.